Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Before. After. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Exposure plus 0.66. Contrast minus 28. Highlights minus 91. Shadows plus 18. Whites minus 90. Blacks plus 54. Go to Curve. White. Go to red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. And done. Go to color. Saturation minus 41. Go to color mix. Red color. Hue plus 10. Go to orange color. Hue plus 5. Saturation plus 10. Luminance minus 22. Go to yellow color. Saturation minus 30. Go to green color. Saturation minus 69. Go to aqua color. Hue plus 10. Luminance minus 12. Go to blue color. Hue minus 5. Saturation minus 21. Luminance plus 5. Go to purple color. Hue plus 20. Saturation minus 35. Go to magenta color. Hue plus 20. Saturation minus 35. And done. Go to effects. Clarity minus 5. Slide down. Grain 3. Size 15. Slide down. Go to detail. Sharpening 11. Slide down. Color noise reduction 25. Go to profiles. Slide down, select vintage 10 by 100. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.